Now let's crochet the soil part of the cat pot plant. For this part, we will use brown yarn, and the crochet method is the same, using a 2.0 mm hook, 2/0. Next, we'll explain in detail the method for each round. First, we'll be working into a magic ring, then make a chain stitch. For the first round, we crochet 16 single crochet stitches. Please continue to crochet on your own to complete this round. After finishing, remove the ring. There's no need to pull the ring too tight. Once done, make a slip stitch into the first stitch, and with that, our first round is completed. For the second round, start with a chain stitch. This round will consist of alternating one single crochet and an increase, creating 8 sets, and ending with a total of 24 stitches. Begin crocheting with one single crochet, followed by an increase. After completing this set, demonstrate another set for clarity. Please continue crocheting the rest on your own. Then remove the stitch marker, make a slip stitch, and with that, the second round is complete. For the third round, start with a chain stitch again. This round will have groups of 3 single crochets followed by an increase, totaling 6 sets, and concluding with 30 stitches. Start by crocheting 3 single crochets. Then make an increase. After finishing this set, show another set. Continue the pattern on your own. Remove the stitch marker, make a slip stitch, and the third round is finished. Moving to the fourth round, start with a chain stitch. This round's pattern is 2 single crochets, an increase, and then another 2 single crochets to form one set, with a total of 6 sets, ending with 36 stitches. Begin by crocheting 2 single crochets. Make an increase. Then crochet 2 more single crochets. After demonstrating a set, Continue the pattern on your own. Finally, remove the stitch marker, make a slip stitch, and the fourth round is completed. For the fifth round of your crocheting project, you will start with a chain stitch. In this round, you will make groups of 5 single crochets followed by an increase, repeating this for a total of 6 sets. By the end of the round, you should have 42 stitches. Begin by making 5 single crochets and then an increase. After completing a set, demonstrate one more, and then continue with the rest on your own. Remove the stitch marker, make a slip stitch, and the fifth round will be complete. Moving on to the sixth round, begin with a chain stitch. This round consists of groups that have 3 single crochets followed by an increase, and then another 3 single crochets, making 6 sets in total. By the end of this round, there should be 48 stitches. Start by crocheting 3 single crochets, followed by an increase, and then 3 more single crochets. Demonstrate one set, and then continue the pattern on your own. Afterward, remove the stitch marker, make a slip stitch, and the sixth round is finished. For the seventh round, start with a chain stitch. The pattern for this round is 7 single crochets followed by an increase, repeated across 6 sets, ending with a total of 54 stitches. Begin with 7 single crochets and then make an increase. Show one set, and then proceed with the rest independently. Once finished, remove the stitch marker, execute a slip stitch, and the 7th round is done. After completing the round, leave a 5-inch tail of yarn before cutting it off, preparing the piece for assembly. This concludes the soil part of your crocheted cat planter.